How to fix file or directory is corrupted and unreadable error on a Windows. 1. Restart your computer. 2. Disable your antivirus. 3. Change the location of the file, if you are using some external drive. 4. Scan the drive for potential disk issue. And run chkdscape. X/F/R command as administration 5. Set a new drive letter via disk.msc. 6. Run Windows Memory Diagnostic Tool. 7. Check your computer for malware using the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. 8. Format the external hard drive.